Hi everyone, how's it going? It's me Sabine. Welcome to the third part of our affiliate marketing series where I'm going to be talking about building a high converting landing page to pre-sale affiliate offer and build a email list on the meantime so you can expect to make more money on a future through email marketing. And if you are one of those who is watching this for the first time, make sure that you are going to be clicking on the I button to check out our previous videos on affiliate marketing series. You can also consider joining our free training course in affiliate marketing where I do not have got anything to sell, but you can find a lot of amazing value inside the training course. Click a link which will be down below this video on description or on a pinned comment. Okay. So now let's begin with our video where we are going to be learning how to build a high converting landing page. So for this, I'm going to be using a builder role as my funnel builder. You can consider choosing any other page builder that you like, but I highly recommend the builder role. Reason is simple. They are pretty easy to use. They have got an amazing page builder who is a fast loaded. Not only that, they also has gotten some extra cool feature. You can consider getting a copy of a builder role by clicking a link which will be down below this video on description. You can start your free trial only in a $1 for the next 30 days. Within that time period, you can decide whether this is something for you or not. And if you happen to join with a builder role, you can consider paying them a monthly fee, which is really cheap comparing to any other funnel builder. Okay, so another thing that you are going to be needed will be an email autoresponder. This is one of my test account on Aweber that I use while normally doing a testing and a recording and a video training for YouTube and for my courses. We need an Aweber in order to collect an email subscriber. So whenever someone consider entering their name and an email address, they will be added up an email autoresponder. So you can send them an email on a future if you want to promote them or something. And you can also set up an email follow-up series to convert a normal email subscriber into a buyer email subscriber who is ready to buy the product whenever you are going to be promoting to them through email marketing. If you want to normally watch this video that how you're going to be sending a follow-up email, how you're going to be making them a buyer email subscriber and making a massive money, consider subscribing and press the bell icon because in the future I'm going to be coming with those videos as a part of this affiliate marketing series as well. We have also not covered about grabbing a traffic yet. We're just at the beginning of this affiliate marketing training course. So make sure that you are going to be watching every single video on this series so you can also learn how you can drive an effective free buyer traffic. Okay. Another thing will be another email autoresponder that you can consider using, which will be a ConvertKit. If you want to get your account on Aweber and ConvertKit both, you can consider using a link which will be down below this video on description. They are currently offering a free account until a 500 email subscriber, so you can get your free account right away on Aweber and ConvertKit both on the same time. Another thing that you need is affiliate offer to promote. So if your landing page and a pre-sale page look kind of similar to a sales page of the product that you are promoting, it will always be a really amazing because it will convert better and it will help you to make more money while the traffic get redirected to the sales page of the product. So that is the reason you can normally consider getting your copy. Okay, you can consider choosing an affiliate offer that you want to promote. All of the offer that I have been normally promoting since 2021 is one of my favorite was a Bingsta app. This is one of the high converting offer so far of January which has been launched. So you can also consider choosing the exact same one. Okay, so we are beginning with our training. So first thing that you need to do is to use this particular add-on inside a builder role which is called website builder. Just click on that website builder. Once you normally click that, it will take you to a place where you can choose what type of website that you want to build. So in our case, that is going to be a landing page, right? So I'm going to be showing you how you can also get a perfect landing page template. Builderall currently has got around 15,000 total done for you landing page, which you can customize and start using it to make some massive money. Okay. So if you consider getting below, these are a template that I have normally done and a test myself. So just go to and create a new site. If you have just got your copy of Builderall, you are not going to be getting any specific template here. Like me, you can consider choosing whatever type of template you prefer. I personally go with the first one because there are a lot of amazing high converting template that I can start choosing to get some massive result with one. Okay, so first thing that I have already choose my template. So it taken a bit of a time to load up properly because there are altogether 15,000 templates which have to load up properly so you can check them on your own. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of landing page template that you can consider choosing out your own. You can also go through a category option here to find a perfect landing page, what type of a perfect landing page that you need. And if you find that this is a template that you want to use, make sure that you are going to be clicking on a preview button first before selecting it, so you can normally see how does that landing page look like actually, and what are the customization that you have to make once you normally select that landing page template. Sometime you thought that this landing page template can convert really well, and if you normally find out that that landing page template has got a lot of content which is totally unnecessary according to you for your usage, you can consider skipping those as well. So as you can see, this landing page template is kind of a long here, where I can go through this my own and do a customization, remove all of the element I want. So same way, make sure that you are going to be previewing it first, so you can find as much detail you need before selecting that specific template. So I have already normally selected my template, which I'm going to be using it here. So now I'm going to be cutting this video into the second part, where I'm going to be loading this template on a page builder of a builder all, where we are going to be doing a customization to pre-sale affiliate offer, build a email list and promote it. As you can see, this is a template that I have already preloaded on a page builder of a builder all, where I'm going to be showing you how you can do all kind of a basic customization. So you can consider using this any template on a builder all to promote affiliate offer, build your email list. So first thing will be customizing these text here. So if you want to normally change the text of the landing page, which is going to be your main key title, first thing that you have to see is what is the text and what is the key title, a key point, key benefit, which has been used on the affiliate offer that you are looking to promote. So in this case, the thing that you can do is click this button called view sales page on a JBZoo. On a ClickBank, you can consider opening up your own affiliate link. On a JBZoo also, there will be an option to open a sales page here, where you can visit a sales page of the product, where you can find all necessary information about the product. And as you can see, this is a key title which they are currently using, a brand new app to put your link in front of 1 billion visitor simulation for unlimited free traffic in a 60 second. This is one of the high eye grabbing normally title here, which I'm going to be using on this particular template. Okay, so while normally switching on a tab again and again, this may normally take a bit of a time to load up properly. Okay, to normally load up properly, reason is this is kind of a hobby comparing to any other page builder, but it's really amazing. So as you can see, my browser doesn't accept to normally paste directly by using it, so I can always click on a Ctrl+V to paste. If this also happened with you, let me know in the comment below. Okay, so now another thing that you have to do is a few other customization that you are going to be doing it. Okay, as you can see here, our key title has been already included. So now other customization that we have to do will be normally increasing the size of this text. How you're going to be increasing the size? You can always select in which portion you want to normally put this text here, what type of a font that you prefer using it. So in my case, if I want to normally use in any other form like a pop-in and all, I can consider choosing those font as well. I can resize it. Okay, so as you can see, they only had got a few font here, but you can always add a funnel by your own. So I'm going to be using an arcade black here. This is the one that I prefer more here. So I'm not going to be going through a whole process of customizing this completely, because that will increase the length of this video and you may end up getting a little bit of a bored while watching it. And this will be our second heading. That means we can consider this as a subheading. How we're going to be finding a subheading to use on our landing page is visiting a sales page. As you can see, even if you are a newbie with zero experience, this can be our subheading. So same way, copy that text and paste and include it on your landing page, right? It's really easy. And as you can see, one background image also has been loaded up now properly, and the text color is black, which is not looking nice. So you can always select press Ctrl+A and select all the text here, and you can go to this particular option here. This one here, in order to change the text color. So if you want to use some sort of a different text color, you can do that as well. This is fully customizable. Okay, so I'm just going to be selecting a plain red here for my text. And as you can see, this has normally already been appeared as a red. I'm not doing a fully customization at this point because I'm recording a training module explaining things as well. So the length of the video may be a bit longer here if I ended up showing you how you're going to be doing a complete customization. So make sure that you are going to be doing something on your own also. If you find any kind of a problem, you can consider going to a tutorial portion of the builder all in order to find any information about it. Another thing will be how about getting in a free weekend meeting the best bootcamp mentor in town. So you can also consider using this as well. And if you do not want any specific element on the landing page which you are currently using, you can consider clicking on this delete button and delete those templates as well. Another thing will be customizing the button. If you want to normally change the text of a button, you can do that as well. Just click on those text here, whatever call to action text that you want to use on those buttons, like click here to get instant access, click here to secure your copy. You can do those customization as well. And as I have already mentioned, whenever someone click this button, one pop-up will appear, and once they register on that pop-up here, I can normally send them to a specific link. So what will be that specific link that I'm going to be using it? The specific link will be my affiliate link. Okay, as you can see, once I normally click on a set link portion, it has normally open up this one, which is gonna be in a pop-up. So one pop-up is gonna be appear, so I can normally select a video will appear whenever someone click that. I can send them to one direct web page. So I'm gonna be leaving a pop-up as it is because I want them to enter their email address. So we can also do a customization on that pop-up as well. Once you normally go to this drag and drop option here, as you can see, this is a function training. So these are the addition to page which has been included in this template. So if you want to remove this template, you can consider removing them as well. If you want to use a new template, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to be clicking on the link again here, and I will show you how you're going to be putting your affiliate link. So just go to select a web here. Once you normally select a web, you can select a link here which they are going to be getting redirect once they enter their name and email address. And one more thing that I forgot to mention is connecting your email autoresponder, right? So you can always connect your email autoresponder really easy. So as you can see, I have normally pasted out a link here. I can select whether they can open this on a new tab or on the same tab. If I want them to opt in and get a redirect to the affiliate offer as well, I will just select them open in the same tab. Okay, so once they register, enter their name and email address, they are gonna be getting redirect to the sales page of the product. So that is the reason I have suggested you to normally copy some sort of a content from the sales page, like their sales copy, their sales letter on a landing page. So once they get redirect to a sales page of the product through your redirecting from your landing page, they are gonna be finding your landing page and a sales page of the product kind of similar. So there is a better chance of getting in a more conversion, right? That is the reason why you always have to do a bit of a research before creating a landing page. Once you do that, just click on select. So now whenever someone enter their name and email address and press this button, they are going to be getting redirected to the sales page of the product through my affiliate link. You can do whatever type of customization that you want on Builderall. And once you thought that every single changes has been made and you have edited this landing page fully, just click on a preview option to make sure that it has been normally saved properly. And once you normally find it is fully done, just click on back to an editor. After that, you can consider clicking a save and exit, and your landing page is ready to go. You can always connect your own custom domain name inside a Builderall, or you can normally use their own subdomain as well. But I do not prefer to use a subdomain at all, because subdomain will never normally work perfectly. You can consider getting your own domain name on the cheapest price as possible. So as you can see, this landing page template has been normally saved properly, and as you can see, this is a subdomain which they have normally provided me, or I can buy another domain at Builderall which I can connect to this specific page, as you can see here. So this is a subdomain that I have got, right? And whenever someone visits this URL, they are going to be going to this page here, and whenever they press this button, they are going to be getting redirected to the sales page of the product through my affiliate URL. I have not gotten a pop-up to normally opt-in. Reason it's simple. I have not normally selected that opt-in on that case, but you can consider selecting an opt-in and integrate your email autoresponder that can be a get per responder on ConvertKit inside a builder all. So you can consider normally getting all those email lead directly to your email autoresponder. So I think we are pretty close to ending this particular video where I have shown you how you can use a builder all to create an amazing landing page. But this landing page is not looking amazing at all. The reason is I'm just focusing on explaining things to you more than normally focusing on creating an actual landing page properly. But if you consider joining our free training course where I have shown you every single thing in detail here, how you're going to be creating a high converting landing page and lot of other detail that you need to know. So Sabine signing out with a video number 3 of our affiliate marketing series, how to build a high converting landing page. I'm going to check you out on the next one. Until that, take care and bye-bye. Make sure you are going to be joining our free training course and subscribe and press the bell icon if you're watching this for the first time.